What's up guys, help me out and smash that like button and subscribe so this video will reach to more people out there who needs it. Thanks guys. Alright guys, here's the quick fix for you. I'd advise to take this immediately right after you get off of bed, before you drink water or eat your breakfast. Right after you drink this, wait for the next 30 minutes to eat your breakfast. Also, you can take this before you go to bed. You don't have to, but if you want a faster results, definitely take it before you go to bed as well. I'd advise to take this every day for the next 7 days. After 7 days, you should see a substantial reduce of your waistline or getting rid of the excess belly fat that you're having difficulties getting rid of during exercise. So this should help a lot guys. All right, you can continue to take this for the next, again, 2 weeks if you like, but definitely for the next 7 days. All right, so good luck guys, and I'll see you in my next video.